Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to achieve this look I like to call pumpkin spice. Browns, oranges, and a more matte face. It's inspired by Starbucks' pumpkin spice latte because autumn or fall is here. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Now, when I recorded this, I just came home from class, so I already had makeup on, meaning I'm going to start off with all the base stuff and eyebrows. Taking my Flawless Contour palette, I'm going to start by priming my lids with this warm yellowy color I'm pointing at. I'm doing this so that the eyeshadow lasts longer and to help with blending. I'm using my finger because I don't really see why I need a brush for this. Next, taking Sleek's Eye Divine Au Naturel 601 palette, I really should have set my lid primer with some nude eyeshadow, but I forgot to, so I went straight to my transition color, using Real Techniques' Deluxe Crease Brush, applying the color Toast on and above my crease. And here I realized that I've forgotten to set my lid primer. Next, using the color Regal from the same palette with Real Techniques' base shadow brush, I'm lightly applying it onto my outer corner and inner corner of my lids, also creating a little bridge in between just in my crease, creating a halo effect. I'm blending quite a lot here as I want to make sure that there are no harsh lines and so that there's some sort of hazy effect. You can also kind of see that despite the initial cool undertone of Regal, the orangey transition color is warming it up, which is exactly what I wanted to create the pumpkin spice theme going on. Next, taking a smaller fluffy brush, I'm again taking the same color, Regal, and intensifying my outer and inner corner as well as deepening my crease for more definition. Next, taking a very small flat brush, I'm taking the color Nougat from the same palette and putting it on the center of my lid that I've purposefully left blank to create the halo effect. I'm just packing it on there to intensify the orange colors I'll be putting on top. Then with the same brush, I'm again taking the color Toast and putting it where I've put Nougat. Again, with the same brush, I'm taking this little Maybelline Diamond Glow palette to use this glimmering orange color. and I'm putting that on top of toast. Next, I'm blending out the edges of the halo with a small fluffy brush with a bit of the color Cappuccino from the Sleek palette I was initially using. Next, with that same brush, I'm going back in with Regal to re-intensify my outer and inner corners. Next, taking the small flat brush I've used before, I'm putting toast all across my lower lash line, ensuring that it connects to the eyeshadow for my upper lid. Next, with the same brush, I'm taking Regal and putting it on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to put that orange glimmery shade on the inner half of my lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman lash curler. I forgot to show you the liner, but I'm taking Natural Collections black eyeliner pencil to line my top lash line. Then I'm taking my totally beaten up Miss Sporty gel liner and highlight duo to do a small winged liner with the gel liner using Real Techniques' fine liner brush.
When I see you and me, the galaxy seems so far, and I keep sailing free. The galaxy seems so far.
I also forgot to show you the mascara I'd be using, but I'm using 17's Dolled Up Mascara in the color black and applying it generously onto my lashes. Next, contour. I'm using NYX's single contour shade in Toffee Caramel or HCPS06 and using Real Techniques' contour brush, I'm going to contour with a card, a trick I've learned from Michelle Phan. It creates a cleaner, more precise contour.
When I see you and me.
I also put it on my jawline and under my chin for more definition, as well as around my forehead for more warmth. Next, I'm going to blush using the Body Shop's blush in Sweet Nutmeg. I put it just above my contour using a blush brush. I also put a little bit on my forehead, nose, and chin for a bit more warmth. For highlight, I'll be taking the highlight from the liner highlight duo. Using my finger, I'm dabbing it on just a little bit to the high points of my cheekbones, just for a very subtle highlight. Okay, so for the lipstick, I'm actually gonna use a blush color from the Flawless Contour palette. I wanted a warm orange color on my lips, but it had no lipstick like that, so why not use a cream blush? At first, the color I used was a bit too bright for me, so I decided to take the darkest blush, and I ended up really liking the color. I'm using a lip brush to apply the cream blush. You don't have to use this cream contour like I did. If you have a lipstick like this color or similar, by all means use it. I just wanted to use this blush to tie together this pumpkin spice look. And there you have it, pumpkin spice, which I think is great for fall. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you recreate this look, please show me. Thanks for watching.